Hello everyone, I am Asimania. I am coming from Milan Mode. This is student of 16 NGO. I have been learning spoken English in this NGO for 7 years. Today I will introduce about 16 from of you learn have spoken English. I also learning. Here are education. All the teachers of this NGO guide us very much. We observe here Rabindranath Jayanti, Holi, Mother's Day, Teachers Day, Festival, DC. All the course in Swiss, Crescent, Computer Art, Trading, IT, DDP, FA, Software, Multimedia. 60 Health Center, Kasinagar, ITD, Milan Mode, Chamtala, Gangasagar, Namkhana. Thank you. I thank all donors and supporters. All thanks my conversation. Thank you.